Your Mac has a local dictionary that identifies and corrects wrong word spelling. It marks the wrong spelling with a squiggly red underline. However, this means it also underlines uncommon names and words you might want to use in your writing. In today's video, we'll show you how to solve this issue. You will learn how to add words to your Mac dictionary and remove them if you no longer need them. So let's get started. First, let's talk about how to add words to your dictionary. There are two methods you can use. The first method is the common one that most Mac users are familiar with. Simply right-click on a word and choose Ignore Spelling to remove the red squiggly line underneath it. This is a temporary fix that only works on your document you are currently working on. To ensure that the red squiggly line doesn't appear on other documents in future, use the Learn Spelling feature to add the word to your Mac dictionary. Now, let's move on to the second method, which allows you to bulk add words to your Mac dictionary. This is especially useful if you are working on a project with many specific names or terms. First, click anywhere on your Mac desktop to select Finder and then click on the Go menu. Hold down the Option key to reveal the hidden library folder and click to open it. Now, find the spelling folder and open it. Finally, double-click on the local dictionary file to open it. Now, you can add the words you want your Mac to learn. Once you're done, use the Command S shortcut to save the changes. Remember to restart your Mac for the changes to take effect. Now that you know how to add words, let's talk about removing them from your Mac's local dictionary. To remove words from your Mac local dictionary, we will use the same steps. The only difference is that instead of adding words, we will delete the words you want to remove and save the file using the Command S keyboard shortcut. And there you have it. Now you know how to add words to your Mac dictionary and remove them if needed. We hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more such tutorials. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next one.